Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this section, in this general list of the settings, we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's go to the device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Of course, if you do not have any kind of screen lock method, just like I do not have, then you will have to choose either the pattern, PIN or password. If you've got one, it will be just transferred to another step. So let me quickly choose the pattern. Here we've got the information that we cannot forget it, because we will no longer be able to unlock our device. So just tap on next. Let me quickly draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we can decide what kind of content we want to show on the lock screen, so just mark the option and tap on next, and then tap on the fingerprint. Tap on more and I agree, and here we've got the information what we have to do. So in the power button we've got our fingerprint sensor, so let me just put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Not sure what they want me to, or actually we do not have to put it and press it, but as you can see we have to slide our finger on the sensor. So we've got our fingerprint added, so just tap on done, and this is our fingerprint section. The fingerprint we just added, we can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.